The modern car interior is a battlefield. It's a 15-inch high-definition war for your attention. Between the laggy screens, the glowing ambient lighting, and the constant pings of a car that thinks it knows better than you, we've forgotten what it's like to just drive. I used to think this 1996 Jeep interior was basic. I thought it was something I had to tolerate until I could afford better. But lately, I've realized the truth. This isn't a lack of features, it's a surplus of peace. In his book, Shop Class Soulcraft, Matthew Crawford talks about how we've been relieved of the burden of understanding how our world works. We've traded manual competence for a user interface. But ownership isn't just about the title in your glove box, it's about cognitive ownership. In this Jeep, I don't have to navigate a submenu to turn on the defroster. I don't have a software update preventing me from using my radio. Every button is a physical promise. It does exactly what it says, every time, without asking for a subscription or an internet connection. Modern SUVs are designed to be cocoons. They insulate you, isolate you, and then give you a 360-degree camera because they've made it impossible to actually see out of the back window. The XJ is different. It's an aquarium. There's a raw, honest connection to the world outside these windows. When you strip away the massive pillars and the intrusive driver aids, you stop being a user of a device and start being a pilot of a machine. We are taught that more is always better. More pixels, more sensors, and more automation. But every piece of tech added to a dashboard is just another string attached to your attention. When I sit in here, the noise of the world gets quieter. Not because of sound deadening, the XJ is loud, but because there's nothing here trying to sell me something. There's nothing here second-guessing my steering. Driving an old car taught me that the greatest luxury isn't a screen that can do everything. It's a machine that does exactly one thing, and lets you be present for it. If you feel like your life is cluttered, maybe it's not your house or your schedule. Maybe it's the machine you spend 2 hours in every day. Take a look at your dash. Is it serving you, or is it demanding from you? Also, I've had a lot of you ask how to support the channel in this mission. I've put together some Drive Simple, Live Free bumper stickers over on my Buy Me a Coffee page. It's a small way to represent the choice to opt out and to choose freedom over features. The link is in the description in the pinned comment. Let me know in the comments, what's one old school feature in a car you'll never give up? And if you're ready to stop chasing the new and start chasing freedom, subscribe. I'm Mitchell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.